Friggin' rights, eh? Another day, another episode of the Gremlin build. But today I'm going to climb under there. We're going to blow off the frame. I'm going to put my 2-in-1 poop converter on there. We're going to get, well, we'll get the whole thing poop converted, but we'll get the vital areas that we need painted, so that if we run out, at least the spots we need to proceed are painted. Because really, I mean, you know, different parts of the frame, you can paint that anytime, but where the springs and axle and different things, I want to get, you know, the insides of the axle tubes, you know, the whatever, the axle tubes painted and friggin' this and that. And I took apart the springs because they bolted the rusty piece in there, and then I put it on the wire wheel, but I mean, you can't get in the middle with the wire wheel anyway, so we'll get the sandblaster going later, and then we'll fire those back together. But yeah, gonna get the frame lickety splips here, and then once that's done we can proceed, but thrice steps at a time, boys. From rusty schmutt to freaking exquisite. Well, I was just having a little bit of the difficulties trying to film and being under the van and painting and carrying on and different things, but we got a good majority of it done anyway. There is a spot in the middle that I still got to get to, but got the axles painted where I need to put the springs. I got the spring hangers painted where I need to put the springs, so we can at least hang the axle so that we can measure for the drive shift. Measure for the friggin' drive shift. We will, but yeah, friggin' looks lockety McSplockenville, eh? Yeah. But then also, well, we had the spring, you know, the springs had the rusty spot in it, so we took, I don't know where all the clamps are, 2 clamps back them, gone. I don't know, but I got those 2, so we just use those and then clamp it together, take the thing off, sandblast one at a time because I don't have any more clamps, can't find them. But that looks a lot better, eh? That looks a lot better, and then we pretty well hooched a can of the spray paints, but yeah, got everything else painted up for the springs. There's the other asshole, we can put that on into the Moros, and hopefully yeah, hopefully I got more paint, and then because I wanted to get the fuel tank in, I got the lines for the plastic, so we'll jab the lines on there, and we'll, you know, get the inside of the frame painted and run the lines. So we'll have like two fuel lines and a brake line. I don't know if I showed you that or not yet, but we got like the stab on assholes for the fuel, and then we got the stab on assholes for the dick, like the little dinks coming out of the guy. There's one right there. That's the return, and then there's another one right there, and that's the sock. But yeah, so we got these guys here, and then the plastic fuel line and stuff. So no rust, no rust. And then we got the nickel coppers. Got the friggin' nickel coppers. Since we got the two kinds we need there, different things. So got the son of a bitch mount too right there, so we gotta notch that so that we can reinstall it because the front of the engine's in the way. But yeah, so far it's so good, boys. So far it's so good. So we got like 90% of the frame done. It's hard for me to keep my appliance focused, and then I wanted to, you know, I was like, really, I just wanted to get the springs areas done, so that we could get the springs in, measure for this and that, and then we could proceed with this and that. But I just did the whole frame, and then so we just got a couple more spots left to paint, and then I got to get more paint though. I was going to use that can of stuff, but spray paint's way better. You can really get a toque, you know what I mean? Okay, go. First one we're going to go. Okay, go. Had a little bit of a reschedule this morning. Not too bad. We're going out that way anyway, so it didn't really affect anything other than we'll be home earlier than we thought. But I gotta go get some grumbling parts. Hey? I finally found some grumbling parts. Yeah, and then we gotta go look at a van here quick. Looked at a few vehicles, you know, over the past little bit. You know, like the price that people are asking for complete shite is simply unreasonable. What do you think I'm doing? Friggin' going to Plug Ones and buying one of his scrap cars for like new car prices? Hey? Buying a scrap car for like new car prices for frick's sakes, but anyways, a little bit of a trip. Hopefully we get back into the good times so we can do a little bit of works on the gromming. Yeah, it'll be awesome. But oh, the other thing too, I mentioned my other video, but it was right at the end, so nobody probably even saw it. But Jim's got a new rap music video out for his rap music. If you want to check that out, you know, all his links are always in the description. But yeah, so crazy how like he could have ended up in a wad of Kleenex in the garbage. You know what I mean? No, he's a rap. Hey? But anyways, we'll get this shit done, and then yeah, I think actually I gotta go see Jim today too, so maybe he's working, I don't know, maybe took the day off because he knew I was coming. But anyways, look at the winter's beauty, boys. It's freaking colder as frigo. Look, you can tell. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, my favorite one. Big iron on the mount, boys. It's my favorite one. Where's my spectacles? Oh, just like Toby Keith. Gotta try to find the back alley in this bitch now. Just need my hat. My cowboy hat, and I do like Toby Keith. These things pinch my head terribly. I was gonna totally turn the wrong way. Hey? Holy shit. Look at this road. Could you imagine living on this road? Idiot! Oh yeah, fire it up and drive it all around. I just drove 2 hours to go look at a van. You just get it all fired up and everything for me, bud. It's cool. No, it's cool. I guess I can park here, eh? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Bump.
Bump, yeah. It's the car.
Right on. How you doing?
Hey.
Oh, a little crusty, eh?
Yeah, a little bit rusty.
How long have you had it?
I've had it for around 2 months now.
2 months?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you can see the coolant spots all over the place. See that? That's transmission fluid. Oh, you got a terrible transmission leak, eh?
No, it's steering fluid.
Oh, steering.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's steering pump.
steering pump no good. Yeah. That's leaking pretty good though.
Yeah.
Well, I guess since I'm here, I'll see what you'll take for it. But that's a little much, I think.
Yeah, we can't do anything without you guys.
No? Okay, man. Have a good day. Oh, major power steering leak. Some sort of miscellaneous coolant leak up in the jowls, so I got enough issues right now. It's worth a look anyway, I guess. 9 minutes away from where I gotta pick up the clutch pedal. Oh yeah. Friggin' race we did. Oh, I gotta piss so bad. Holy shit. I guess it's better than shirting myself. Oh yeah, I went and looked at a van while I was up here, but it was garbage.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
What kind of van?
Oh, it's just like a caravan for the old lady.
Oh, okay.
She's mad as because I keep buying trucks and doing projects, and she's driving a shitty old car. Right?
Oh, yeah. That's
like,
always the way.
Mad as at me. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's my old Suburban, so basically I've had it on the road for years and just hoarded a bunch of parts so I could keep it running, right?
Yeah. Right on, man. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Well, I got a clutch pedal. It's not ideally the one that we're after, but we should be able to figure something out here.
Starting route to brake and steering rebuilders. Head east on Evelyn Crescent, then turn right onto Dreger Avenue.
Looks like somebody's new hobo accommodations. Hey? Oh, that'd be a good one. Get a really good hobo in there. Yeah. Oh, let's go see if Jim's working. Do you guys sell like actual cigarettes?
Yeah. Why did you yourself?
Does it sting?
Yeah, it does.
No.
Right in the web part, like that does not feel good.
Would you do it with the box cutter?
No, with the box.
Oh shit. That's
Right?
even
You
worse
think it
than
was
the
the fucking knife.
No, the box is worse than a knife.
Oh no.
I'd rather catch myself with
What did
a
you
cut
find?
box cutter.
My button fell off.
Oh no. That's less than ideal. That hurt.
Apparently you don't need that. Careful, Jim, your DNRs.
Oh, my DNR. No, anyways. We can't share buddy.
No? Oh, you can share with grandma.
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah.
Even grandma can
We still
share.
bum though.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I don't think it's contagious through bum.
No.
Hey?
Button in my picture.
I apologize for that. Anyways, I'll get out of your hair.
Alright.
Smoke cigarettes, Jim.
See you, buddy.
Choo choo. Just look at the state of my equipment. Like, look at this. Canada Salt, no good. I barely even drive it. That's what rusts these friggin' things out, eh? Lots of you dicks in America, they don't even have that kind. So you're like, how's your shit so rusty? Look at the state of it. Anyways, back to Inwoods. We got darts, we got brakes. Wait till you see the state of these too. I mean, they're in brand new conditions, but she was a little bit scaly. Ooh, little curb jump there. Not too bad. But yeah, go check out Jim's video there. Like something you'd see back on the Much Musics. You know what I mean? Remember the Much Musics? Can't wait to see what I got in my Wuhan package. Ooh, it's got fancy corners onto it. Holy. Holy fancy corner box. I've never seen that before. In all of many of the package, I've never seen the fancy box corners. Oh, we got a pen. Is it complimentary? Eric. Hey, we got a pen for Eric. An empty box. Come on. Hopefully it's got lines on it. Empty box. There's our lines. Hopefully it's a 12 and a 14 mil. Bit of the pop tester, boys. Oh, holy. Wow. That's just rancid. Oh, my coveralls too. Here, get in there. Get yourself some of that. Oh. Wow. I don't know what's become of me lately. Check out the brakes. How much of the corrosion was on there, but they freaking cleaned them up lickety split. 60 bucks each. It's, I mean, not even worth touching. It's all new pistons, new seals, new different fittings. Just throw some paint on there and be lickety splockins. Oh, another bit of package. You guys said you loved the package, so start showing the package again. I love a little bit of the package as well. Oh, let's see what we got. Oh, we got a little monitor. I wasn't sure if I was going to use that or not. We got a little backup camera. Got a switch for the Grumman. So I got to replace all those switches anyway. Oh, it's got good click. I like that switch for the rear lights. Yeah. Odometer gauges. Oh yeah, decent. Got this for Shifty too. For on top of the friggin' R-Skull. Put a couple gauges. Put that right on top of the steering McSigger. Gauges all over the place. Yeah! It's gonna be awesome.